chirped with glee, I'm the ruler of colors, can't you see? Blue peacock twirled around and said, my feathers shine like a flag so spread. Rainbow shines, hooray, hooray. Green frog splashed with a plip-plop-plack, dancing with raindrops splash and smack. Yellow deer ran fast and bright, bringing sunshine warm and light. Orange cat rode round and neat, chasing butterflies, what a treat. Purple pigeon glided by, carrying dreams across the sky. Rainbow shines, hooray, hooray. Pink bunny laughed in flower sweet, hopping down a petal street. Then seven colors sang so high,